Jim, could you explain me something about the tool suite you have created in LDRA?
Sure thing. So LDRA is very much focused on the critical application market. That's safety critical, mission critical, security critical applications. And one of the things that we're announcing today is our support for the latest generation of the MISRA standard, MISRA C 2012. And frankly, why some of our customers care about that is because MISRA C 2012 is the next generation of the standard, which has refined a number of the rules in the MISRA standard, made a number of clarifications. More importantly, it's kind of focused on certain concepts within the standard to make certain rules decidable. By making them decidable, that opens up the whole environment for automation and checking for compliance against that standard. And this is really important to our customers in the automotive market in particular, who are following ISO 26262, or in the rail transportation sector as well, under EN 5128, and this is going to be a theme here to a number of things that take place, or in the industrial sector under IEC 61508. That's not to say this standard isn't used in aerospace and defense. It is as well. But from the overall MISRA perspective, we've actually been intimately involved with the advancement of that standard. From the previous generations of the standard, we've had people representing LDRA in defining that standard, and also in the latest generation, even in the MISRA C++ version of the standard, we chair that committee as well. So that's really important. As that standard comes out in the middle of March, we will actually have a product, one of the first products on the market to support that particular standard. Now, what's great about that is that our technology helps customers transition from previous versions of the MISRA standard to the latest version, because you can very simply go inside the tool, check off which rules that you would like to compare against the very same code base and determine any differences that may be there. So the MISRA standard continues to grow in terms of refining the rules that are there, making it very clear and unambiguous to the developer. What does that do for the developer? Frankly, it gives them the freedom to focus on developing code versus compliance with a particular standard, because we automate the compliance checking that they have in their particular environment.
Okay, and you got a certification from TUV?
Yeah, and the TUV certification, in line with the industries that I just mentioned a couple of minutes ago. The TUV certification that we've undertaken will once again validate what LDRA is doing in the critical markets, safety, mission, security critical markets. The TUV certification gives us yet another third independent party that, puts a stamp on what we do and gives our customers the confidence that they can use our products in producing their critical applications in those industry sectors that I mentioned, for example, automotive, industrial, and rail transportation. And in fact, that's what that stamp will say, is that for customers who are developing applications in those markets, by us having our tools certified, our customers can rely on our technology without having to qualify our tools as well. And that's already available to them from day one.
Thank you very much, Tim.
Sure thing. Thank you.